everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Okay students, today I'm going to teach you another sound, and the sound is a. This is capital letter U, and the sound for the U is a. Umbrella. 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 Up. 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 Uncle. Uncle starts with the sound a. Uncle. Uncle. Under. Can you see? A ball is under the table. Under. 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 Umpire. Umpire. Umpire is the one who takes decision during the match. Umpire. Umpire. Unhappy. 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 Thank you students. Inshallah, see you next time. Till then, Allah Hafiz.